Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi theme WordPress tutorial. This is Jamie from System 22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, I've just updated my Divi theme and my Divi Builder plugin, and they've added some fantastic new features, some shape dividers. I'm currently running Divi 3.0.101 and Divi Builder version 2.0.63, and this new feature, it's absolutely awesome, and I'll show you right here. What we need to do is enable the visual builder, and once enabled, just click on a section. We'll start at the top and work our way down, I guess. Hit the section settings cog icon up there. Then we want to go over to our design tab, and if we go down, here's our new little feature here, the dividers. I mean, we already had regular dividers within the Divi builder itself, but these are shaped, and I want to put it on the bottom of my section. Remember, we're working on this section here, the blue section, and divider style. You got, I don't know, 20 or 30 different section styles to work with here. And previously I'd have to do this all with CSS, and you know, it takes a lot of time. So let's just select one, and first thing you notice, it kind of color matches what we've got going on there, which is great. Or you can select your own color if you want to, change the height. And make it repeat itself. It gets some amazing effects really quickly. You can flip it left to right, right to left. You can even flip it up and down. On something this shape, it won't make a lot of difference though. What I'll do, let's get out of that. And I'll actually add it to this bottom section. You'll see it'll color match our top section there. So again, we'll just go over to the cog. Go over to our design tab. Dividers. We want it at the top. Let's select that same one. This time you see it's on the top of this section here, which is great. Divider height. That's fine. Let's just save that. And let's go in here and pull this section down a bit. Another great thing about the Divi Visual Builder, you can edit things in real time. That's fine. Let's pull it down a little bit. Oh, we got the wrong section. Let's pull it down a little bit here as well. What we'll do, we'll go to this section. Let's add one to this section. Let's try a different one this time. Down to dividers on the design tab here. And like I say, I used to have to do these manually with CSS, and you know, it was ever so time consuming. And look, it's already color matched and added that beautiful little divider there. I don't even know if I want to change that. I think we'll leave that as, and we'll do the same thing. We'll just pull that section down a little bit. And you can make it more curvy or less curvy, however you like it. I kind of liked it how it was. So we'll save that. And let's just bring that up a little bit. And this section down here, we'll just take that down a little bit so we can see it better. Move on down. Gosh, I mean, you just keep going, keep going. Cog, design. We're on this section here. I want it at the top. Divider. What kind of divider do we want to put here? Let's try this one. Okay, that hasn't actually color matched that, which surprises me a little bit. Let's see if we can't colour match it ourselves. It's a kind of greeny bluey colour. There we go. Oh, almost. That's pretty close. That'll do. Save that. And again, let's just pull this section down a little bit so you can see that little shop section there. I mean, it's just makes life so simple. It's just crazy. I mean, you could do something with this element as well if you wanted to. That's got a photo background. This will be interesting. Use something a little more simple with this one. Let's use this circle. And let's invert it. Whoops. It's quite interesting actually. It's given it a sort of vignette effect going on there. Wonder if we can add a second one to the bottom. Let's have a look, see if we can do this. Yeah, it's added one to the bottom as well. That's pretty cool. I didn't realize you could add two to the same section, but that's I like it. We want to change that height. We don't want to change that height too much. Again, I might pull this up and down so we can see a little bit more. So let's save that. Let's just pull this section down a little bit so we can still see it, and up a little bit at the top there. That's pretty cool. It's got a sort of vignette going on there. And like I say, you can keep on going and keep on going, and it's just an amazing feature. This used to take me forever and ever. So cog, design, dividers. So if you're not using Divi, why not? And if you are using Divi, check this out because it is an absolutely awesome feature. It really is. And that'll work right there. Yeah. Add one to our global footer. I don't know if I want to do this because it's going to affect all the other ones as well. But let's just do it to see what's going to happen. I'm going to use that exact same thing. And I want it at the top. And is that the thing we used? That was the thing we used there, wasn't it? Okay, it's not matched the color there, so let's forget that one. So let's just exit our visual builder and see what we've got. I don't know how long that's taken, about 5 minutes to completely decorate this whole page and give it some new life here. And let's exit our visual builder when it's saved. It will prompt us if we've forgotten to save anything. Okay, so we're at the top. Look at that, that's amazing. That really is some amazing design effects there that's taken about 5 minutes to do. So there you have it. I just wanted to share this with you because I think it's a really exciting new feature that Divi's implemented. Like I've said many times before, I've done hundreds of builds with Divi, been using it for, I don't know, 2 or 3 years now, and it just keeps getting better and better. So if you haven't got it, you can get it from my little affiliate link below. Please use it. It won't affect your price, but it'll do me a favor. Otherwise, go to elegantthemes.com and just get it from there. But if you're a WordPress builder, I strongly recommend you to check it out. So there you have it. There's Divi's new Shape Divider edition for their WordPress theme. It is absolutely awesome. Thank you, Elegant Themes. Thank you, Divi. I'm very impressed yet again. So I hope that's been helpful to you. If it has, please subscribe to our channel. If you're interested in web development, please take one of our courses below. We've got some huge discounts for our YouTube subscribers, as well as some great free courses down there. So once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.